11, Dizon, number 21, Bautista, and number panglima. Mga panglima rayo. Number 28. Numbers 28, Caparoso. And from Tres Amigos, number 18, Basa. Number 22, Romero. Number 23, Cerezo. Number 11, Doria. And number 15, Laureano. Start of the first quarter of game 2. Bola. Slaughter ball. Bautista to Dizon. Value play to Resuello. Loose ball. Tres Amigos ball.
Tres Amigos.
Cerezo. Cerezo. Pass to 22, Romero. That's a foul. It's an offensive foul on number 22, Romero. Caparoso shoots for 3, no good. Laureano with the rebound. Pass play, Laureano to up, stolen by number 11. Pass play, Bautista. Lumabas. Romero. And loose ball. Amigos ball. Romero to Cerezo. Cerezo guarded. Shoots for 3. No good. Dizon. Pass to 21. Bautista. Shoots. No good. Pass play. Libre. Romero. 2 points. Dizon. Setting the play to Caparoso. Caparoso shoots, pass to Resuello, to Bautista. 2 points. Romero. Pass to Doria. Doria. Romero shoots for 3. Dizon. To Caparoso. Shoots no good. Doria with the rebound. Balik. Iba na matangkad. Doria lays. Bang. Good. Dizon. Shoots. Pass to Caparoso. Back to Dizon. Pass to Caparoso sa ilalim. Nakuha. One foot back by number 11. Dizon. Cerezo to Doria. Doria to Laureano. Shoots for 3. No good. Rebound by Romero. Romero. No good. Rebound by Basa. Doria. Shoots no good. Malakas. Tidak tulawari, kulang na ba tulog sa to? Dizon. Walang pinasahan.
Bro.
Out Cerezo. Cerezo. Dribbling the ball. Shoot for 3. Ara. To ring. Cerezo. Score 10-4. Laban ng Tres Amigos. Bautista. to Resuello, pass to Caparoso, pass to Caparoso, pass to is good. Pass to the play, Laureano, shoots, no good. Agawan sa bola, Bautista with the rebound, nakasundot, nakakuha ni Resuello. Resuello, drives, pass, to Indizon, no good. Agawan sa bola, Bautista with the rebound, Caparoso, drives, lays, no good again. Pass break play, Laureano, may tama na bola. Laureano, drives, shoots, basket is good. He's on, setting the play, pass to Bautista. Bautista spins, blocked by number 11. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Umiinit na po ang laban. He's on. Shoots for 3. No good. Rebound by Basa. Pass to Romero. Romero kay Cerezo. Parag. Drop the ball. Loose ball. Save ball. 14 to shoot. Walang timalan. Marag. Parag. 10 to shoot. Laureano shoots for 3. No good. Caparoso with the rebound. Pass break left to Resuello. Stolen by Cerezo. Cerezo lays it up. No good. He's on. Tumakbo. Lays it up. Pass it is good. The score 12-8. Time remaining 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Arag shoots for 3. Nothing but air. Air ball. He's on. Setting the play. Pass to Caparoso. Shoots for 3. No good. Pero rebound. Dizon. Behind the back pass. Hey, to shoot. No good. Doria. To Cerezo. There's a foul number 28. Pushing foul number 28. Substitution. Number 12, number 7, number 14, and number 00. 14 to shoot. Substitution. Cerezo in. Number 8, Kobe. Sol, pass to Kobe. Kobe, pass to Sol. Pakatog shot. Basket is good. Bingon. Pass to Caparoso. Caparoso drives. Shoots. No good. Sol. Agawan sa bola. Agawan sa bola. Kanino kaya? Amigos ball. Pass to Sol. Loose ball. Substitution back. Number 6, Inson. Caparoso. 20. Out. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Resuello to Bautista to Caparoso. Shoots for 3. No good. Sol with the rebound. Sol tumatakbo. Sol shoots. Off the glass. Agawan sa bola. Kobe with the rebound. Sol. Balong. To Sol. Can shoot. Block. 5 to shoot. Resuello. Resuello. Lays it up. No good. Rebound. Basket is good. Shoots. No good. Pass with K. Bautista to 11. Quezon with the basket. Timeout. Timeout. Let's go Amigos. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Official score. 14-12. Kunwari naman. Agawan sa bola. Slow ball. Pass with Kay. Malakas ang pasa. Cerezo. Nakalusot. 2 points. Quezon. Foul number 7. Quezon. Stolen. Quezon again. Agawan. No good. Basa with the rebound. Pass to Sol. Sol. Nagtaka ng bola. Cerezo. Shoots for 3. Basket to win. Pakbo mo naman. Aparaso. To Inson. Shoots for 3. No good. Sol with the rebound. Setting a play. Hintay ng kape. Kobe to Sol. Up the head. 2 points. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Soriano. Oh good. Agawan sa bola. Good ball. In D-zone. Pass to Caparoso. Caparoso. Shoots. No good. Sol with the rebound. Sol. Kaya ang bola. Pass to Utol. Pass to Kobe. Kobe. Breaks. Shoots. Basket is good. Timeout. Constitution. Sub. Kobe is timeout. Time remaining 43 seconds 40 segundo. Bautista to Resuello. Malakas ang pasa. Loose ball. Sol. To Kobe. To Sol. Sol. Pinasa. Agawan sa bola. Loose ball. 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Score 23-12. Tres Amigos leads. He's on. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Bautista shoots. And that's the end of the first quarter. No good. Agawan sa bola. Who's balls? Another ball. He's on. May tangan ng bola. Setting the play. Alley pass. Nice pass to from the Resuello. Agaw. Stolen. Soriano. To Dizon. To Resuello. Resuello. Pass. No good. Agaw sa bola. Sinong may bola? Basa with the rebound. Basa. To Cerezo. Barag. Pass to Basa. Nice pass. Bumawi. 2 points. Shout out kay Vaping JR. shout out from Pasig City. Toriano, block. Laureano with a rebound. Pasig Bay. To the rest of Leslie. Pasig is good. Dizon. Setting the play. Pass to Soriano. Tumira ng tres. God bless. No good. Doria with the rebound. Tumatakot. Doria. Pass to Laureano. Lower is good. And timeout. It's Lower. Okay. Official score 29-14. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Shout out kay Federico Bravo. Shout out. He's on. Setting the play. Pass to number 5. Back to Dizon. To Bautista. Tumira ng tres. No good. Pero nakuha pa rin niya. Basket is good. Put back by number 21. Laureano. To Goria. To Goria. Lays it up. Basket is good.
Laki na, laki. Laki.
Dizon.
Grabe.
Dizon. Drives. Pass to Victoria. Stolen by Laureano. Pass to Doria. Doria may tama ng bola. Lays it up. But there's a foul. Foul number 14. 2 points. 2 free throws. Sorry, 2 free throws. No good. Second throw for number 11. Basket. 1 out of 2. Dizon. Dizon. To Bautista. To number 5, Soriano. Basket is good. Cerezo. Para sa itang ng bola. And to shoot. Cerezo shoots for 3. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Dizon starting the play. Dizon lays it up. Maison Maverick. Foul number 18. Illegal hit in the hand. 2 free throws for Dizon. Basket. Second throw. Basket is good. 2 for 2. Cervezo. Cervezo. Shoots for 3. No good. Agawan sa bola. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon tumatakbo. Lays it up, but there's a foul. Blocking foul on number 15. Laureano. 2 free throws. Basket is good. 2 for 2 for Dizon. Cerezo. Setting the play. And to shoot. Beria. Pass. Nice block. Dizon. Hintawa na bola. Tumira ng tres. Bang! To win!
Walang pupiat saman. Walang pupiat saman. Sila ka po pupiat. Malaman ng konti tilo.
And to shoot. Bison. Oh, Boss Derek Basa, mamasya kayo ng barot, Tansi Batanoy. 2 points. By number 25, Victorio. Terezo. Shoot for 3. No good. Pero rebound ni Romero. Tulariano. And the shoot. Romero shoots for 3. No good again. Nagawa sa bola. Nagawa na rebound. Bautista tumatakbo. Pass to Bison. Pass to Bautista. Shoots, lays. No good. Laureano with the rebound. Pass to Cerezo. Cerezo. Fake. Lays. Pass kay Beria. Binigay kay Laureano. Shoots for 3. No good. Rebound pa ng Victoria. Pass to Basa. Lays it up. Basket is good. Pakatog siya. I'm remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Bison shoots for 3. No good again. Agawa sa bola. Laureano with the rebound to Cerezo. Pass break kay Cerezo. Tumatakbo. Spins. Lays. No good. Bautista. Foul. There's a foul. Umikot. May foul tayo doon. Foul number 18. Basa. Lucky foul number 18. Timeout. Rest. Amigos. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 40-27. Amigos leads. From RJ Rosario, shout out kay Brother Derek Basa. Basket. Hindi lang pogi, magaling pag mag-shoot. Second throw. Mag-shoot ng bola. 2 for 2. Kobe, to Sol, to Basa, no good. Resuello, pass to number 5, Soriano, pass to Caparoso, to Bautista, shoots, but there's a foul on number 8, pushing foul on number 8, 2 free throws for number 21, Bautista. Basket is good. Second throw for number 21, Bautista. Two for 2. Kobe, may tanga na bola. Kobe pass to Sol. Sol, dribbling the ball, but there's a foul on number 5, illegal hit in the hand. 2 free throws for number 7, Sol. Basket. Pakatunta. Second, siyang palabakan. Kabut talaga. Basket. Agawan sa bola. Pass replay. Caparoso. Torresuello. Pinasa. Kay number 5. Soriano. No good. Sol with the rebound. Kobe. May tanga ng bola. Kobe. Same ball. Aga talaga. Aga.
Kabayo, sir, kabayo.
Ako sa bola, sir. Basa. Wala pa rin. Basa again. On the putback. 2 points. Kumabay, Soriano. Same ball. $19 seconds shot clock. Number 5, Soriano to number 28, Caparoso to Bautista. Mr. Binmaley spins, shoots, basket, boy! May sumabit. Foul on number 14, Well hit in the hand. Substitution rep Soriano 29 in for number 5 Soriano. 2 free throws for Bautista. No good. Second throw. No good again. Pagod na. Kobe. 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 Kobe the wall. Kobe. Wala talagang kasama si Kobe. Resuello. Nice alley-hoop play from number 21. Bautista. Kobe. Sol. Sol. Drives. Pass to Sol. To Kuya. Shoot. Lumabas. Agawang sa bola. Victoria with the rebound. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Resuello. Nice pass. Pero loose ball. Nabitawan ang bola ng number 29. Kobe. 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 To Basa. Basa. Lays it up. Napalpal ka dyan. Back by number 14. Resuello. And to shoot. Kobe. Shoots. Lays it up. Pitong baba. No good. Agawang sa bola. Nice pass coming from Alvarez. Resuello. Nice pass. Basket is good. What a pass by number 14. One minute. Sol. And to shoot. Kobe tumira ng press. No good. Nagawa pa rin niya. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. 30 seconds. Mr. Binmaley, tumira ng 3. No good. Resuello, binalik. But there's a foul. Foul on number 00. Alvarez. Blocking foul on Alvarez. That's your first foul. Penalty. Time remaining 22 seconds in the second quarter. Bautista, no good. Mukhang mawawala na yung kanyang free throw shooting. Second throw. Basket. Wala na po tayong shot clock. The official score 45-36. Tres Amigos ball.